Hi guys, just a quick tutorial on how we do a couple of things in our digital interactive notebook. So as you can see on slide 4 of our very first one, we need to draw some boxes around some academic terms. So what we're going to do is following and reading the text, we're going to find those 3 academic terms that we would like to identify by putting a box around them and using the shape tool. And the shape tool looks like this guy right here. So here it is. We're going to choose a box. So we're going to put a box around the word practices here, but we can't see it. So once the box is drawn, change the fill color to transparent. The fill color is found right here. It looks like a little beaker that's pouring out paint. Then click on that and click transparent, and that will make it to where we can see the word behind the box. Then we're going to go here and change the border color to red. And that's it. And now we have another box